everyone, welcome to a new video where I'll be talking about Reply, a platform that, as you can see, allows us to turn our ideas into AI-powered applications. Basically, it helps us program by suggesting what we can create, like a website, a bit tracker, or even an educational app for my kids, you know? Really, what this application is for is, it's for programming. To start, just click sign up, then continue with Google or your preferred option. They'll ask for some info, okay? We'll select personal use, and as you can see, the prices are displayed. We're going to choose starter. And, well, here we can basically begin creating our project. Let's start a Replit project. We'll begin here in this section where simply logging in gets us started. Basically, we'll tell it what we want. I'm going to request an asteroids game. So I'll click start. It'll start creating a free project. We have 3 projects to create in total. It'll ask if we're making an asteroids game, cloning Flask, and JavaScript. The initial game will have ship movement, asteroid shooting, and collision detection. Should we implement this? I'll say build the prototype and add power-ups, various asteroids, a high score, and levels. Let's add levels and see what it does. I'll give him a chance to prove himself. The fun part is that we have the chat, and on the right side we'll be seeing... There it is, it's starting to code. As you can see, it's programming all of this for me. He mentioned Java, but he's done a Python project. FYI, he's importing libraries, creating the app, and building the game. As you can see, it's going fast. 200 lines of code. It took 2 minutes to think, but it's impressive. People are asking about feedback here. You can see the asteroids game canvas and play with arrow keys and spacebar. I told him the sound works, but I can't see the ship or asteroids. So that's how we can create a project. We can share it too. Keep in mind you have a limited number. You see, I've got 6 out of 10 actions here. This is the limited number we can do for free. It's a small start. Clearly this free tool isn't much use. It's aimed at programmers. Not sure if I can play again. Oh look, there you have it. The game's a bit glitchy. The play again button doesn't work and such. I've been at it a while, but I don't want to waste more time. The ship won't move, But as you see, it's grasped the concept somewhat. It'd be a matter of giving it more and more work. I've done all this in about 10 minutes. This is how you make a project. How can we open the console or other windows in Replit? This happened to me before, you know? I closed all windows, leaving only the agent for questions. And there you have it. Now how do I add more windows? Well, you can click the plus button, okay? It's pretty intuitive and simple, right? Here we can choose what we want. If we want to add the console, we select console, got it? And that'll open the terminal, alright? We can also add the web view to see our final result. As you can see, it works incredibly well. We can view progress, which shows code and more. We can open code in a separate panel to edit it. And that's how we can open new windows. How do we invite people to our Replit project? It's actually very simple. We have a button where we can click invite. Important note, the person must have a Replit account, obviously. We click invite, and here we enter the username or email. We can invite one person at a time or share a private link for others to join. Note, public visibility is free, but private unlimited services require payment. How can you hire or offer services for money within Replit? It's one of the interesting trends we're starting to see. I notice many platforms only work on an individual basis. They only offer one service, like an image generation platform. but I rarely see services where people need images created. If I'm using AI, I clearly need to generate images. But to do it well, I need certain skills. Just an example. If someone can do it well cheaply, why not connect through the platform? And in this case, Replit offers that. Replit is a coding app with a bounty section where we can access, while Replit offers services within its own platform, like finalizing your app or finding a startup team. Replit also lets you publish bounties and projects. You can post projects for help or work on others' tasks. We're seeing a bit about the pay and such. Here you could potentially try to earn some money. I haven't tried it. Most pay is too low to bother, but some interesting ones might be worth a shot for programmers. It's not the most profitable, but if you want to try, it's here. Well, within Replit, we also have programming courses that seem to be free, okay? We even have video tutorials, right? They explain how the platform works and other features, but they even have their own courses, you know? There's a small course called 100 Days of Programming with Python, right? You can start the course and it tells you you're on day 1. It shows how many people join each day. I haven't tried it, but you can invite friends. You can start day 1 and in less than 20 minutes learn print. It seems free, but I'm not sure if there are any limitations, okay? But honestly, it really looks very, very promising. Let's see, 500,000 people have accessed this course, and that's about it, okay? I'll leave it here in case you're interested in a programming course, as it could be quite useful. And well, finally, let's take a look at the prices. The prices are basically always here in Upgrade. There's only one pricing tier, which is 25 euros per month. Or if you pay annually, it's 15 euros per month. What they offer is permanent access to the replica agent. $25 in credits. Not fully convincing, unlimited would be cooler, but okay. 100 agent uses seem low, given we usually get 10. Create unlimited apps, access cloud, and OpenAI GPT. If truly unlimited, that's impressive. If not, then it's less appealing. Cloud 3.5 is free, and I think GPT-4 is too. But here, it's offered in a very unlimited way. I'm not quite sure about this access, to be honest. You can publish live apps and pay as you use them. Which is, well, okay, I guess. So, yeah, that's basically it. Access to the platform and all features and all in one. That's really why I'd consider paying for this platform. Do I recommend it? Right now, I think it's very, very new. If you can code, you might get a lot out of it. In the end, it's only $15 a month, $25, so that's all. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in future videos.